guys, how is it going? And welcome to our last video for this class. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you a very nice move called the W step, or in other words, the star move. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you facing the back so you can copy me exactly the way you see me. The first thing that I want you to do is to jump with the right leg first, like this. Boom! For those of you who don't know this move, this is called fourth position in classic ballet. So basically what you need to do is to take a step forward like this, bend your knees, this is called plie, and turn your knees out, like this. Okay? This is the position. I want you to jump to this position, like this. Boom! Okay? Boom! I'm gonna show you facing the back. 7, go, jump. Again, 7, go, jump. Don't forget to bend your knees. 2 more times, 7, go, jump. Again, 7, go, jump. From this position, I want you to jump, and when you finish the jump, your feet should be aligned like this. Make sure that your knees are kissing, okay? Your knees are turning in. This is position number 2. So from here, I want you to jump like this. Boom! Here, your body weight should be on your toes. Again, from here, jump. Okay, let's take it from the top. Position 1 and 2. 7. Go, fourth position, and aligned. Again, 7, go. Position 1, position 2, 7, go. Position 1, position 2. 2 more times, 7, go. Position 1, position 2. 1 last time, 7, go. Position 1, position 2. Good. From here, I'm gonna jump on my heels while keeping my legs straight, like this. Whoop! And I'm coming back to the same position. From here, position number 3 is this one. Up and down. Okay, so my body weight, here I keep my body weight on my toes, and I'm gonna shift it to my heels, like this. Straight. Bend. Okay, again, push, land. Okay, so all together now from the top. Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4. Good. Slowly, again. 7, go. 1, and 2, and. Now make sure that your weight is on your toes, and then you switch it up to your heels. 1, and 2, and. 7, go. 1, and 2, and. 2 more times. 7, go. 1, and 2, and. Last time. 1, and 2, and. Good job! From here, I'm gonna do the same exact thing to the other side. So now, I'm gonna jump into my first position with my left foot first, like this. Out, and I'm doing the same exact thing. In, out, in. Okay, so my first W step is with my right foot first, and the second is with my left foot first. Let's do it all together, slow. 7, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Okay? Again, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and shift your weight from your toes to your heels. Don't forget to bend your knees, and I want your knees to be kissing one another. Okay, I'm going to show you facing the front this time. 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and good. Don't forget to switch between your right and your left. One more time. 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. In terms of the first position, remember, just take a small step forward, bend your knees, and turn your knees out. That's the position. Same thing to the other leg. Take a step with your left foot forward. Small step, not so big. Small step. Bend your knees and turn your knees out. You have to practice this jump. When I teach people, they say this is the most difficult move because they don't know how to get here. So just practice jumping to this position. Okay? Jump. 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 Moving on to our arms. What I'm doing with my arms is this. Cross. Your right arm should be on top of your left. And straight. And come back. Okay, so I have cross and out. And now to the other side. Cross where your left arm is on top of your right. And straight and. Let's do only the arms. So I have 1 and 2 and other side 3 and 4. Again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Amazing. All together now. Arms and legs together. It's gonna look like this. Cross. I'm crossing both my arms and my legs. And I'm gonna straight everything together. And again, to the right side. 1 and 2 and to the other side. Now to the left. Left arm is on top of the right and left foot is front. And out and great. I'm gonna do the same thing to the back. 7, go. 1 and 2 and other side. 3 and 4 and again 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Good job, guys. Let's try everything with music. Good job, guys. This move is a little bit complicated. It takes a lot of coordination and practice. You will have to practice it a lot to be able to do it faster and faster. Okay, so don't worry, you can always go back to the beginning of the video and rewatch and practice, and you will be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.